Take a ride in the 2021 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.